The workshop was amazing. It's the best time to spend 10 hours learning about what you have to know in life in order to plan for it.
This workshop helped me a lot to facilitate my goals, to set goal standards for my life in the coming years.
It made me believe that there are some people nowadays who would support you unconditionally.
It'll give you a sense of realization of what your goals are and what you would want to work towards. He gets you to dig deep into what you want, what your character looks for, what your personality looks for.
He's a very amazing and friendly coach and a presenter. The way he describes the subject is very easy and very friendly in a way that you cannot not learn.
Imad, he's a great coach, he's a brother, he helped me to develop myself a lot.
Imad does work with honesty. He is a very ethical person. I have had a lot of coaches around the world, from Europe and US, but he is uncompetitive.
It's been my pleasure knowing him for the short while that I've known him, and I look forward to all the times that I get to have coffee with him and talk to him and keep up conversations with him.